Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be bringing you or teaching you how to make restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, I am back. Today I'm going to be making you guys some green beans, some smoked ham hocks, and some potatoes in my pressure cooker, Southern style. Okay, so let me show you what I'm gonna be doing. This is an 8-quart pressure cooker right here. I have some chicken broth right here. I have some chicken base right here that's going to be incorporated in there. I have some Lawry's garlic salt right here. I have some red crushed pepper. I'm not pepper. I have some red crushed peppers right here. I have some granulated onion, and I have some black pepper. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to wash this up and we're going to cook this in this pressure cooker for about good 40 minutes, okay? And then when I get done with that, you got to wash it off first now guys. When I get done with that, I'm going to go ahead and clean these up. Well, I'm cleaning them up first. And I'm cut these potatoes up and throw them in the pot, and I'm put some of this stuff in there. So I'm cook most of all that liquid out of here. So, and with this, you're gonna need at least about 3 cups, not even 3 cups, about 2.5 cups of water. All right guys, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, there's the ham hocks right there, 2.5 cups of water. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw this lid on here. Yeah, it does that. This is good to the chicken. 40 minutes right there. We're just gonna let it cook. I don't know why the thing is doing that with the camera. Okay, we're just gonna let that cook, guys. And I'll see you guys in 40 minutes. In a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. In 40 minutes. They're not quite as tender as I want them to be. I want these bones to actually fall out. I mean, I can maneuver them out of there if I wanted to, but and plus I don't want all that juice in there. So but by the time I cook these green beans, because they're gonna take a second to cook, should be able to get these out of there. See if I can maneuver that out of there. Yeah, it's kind of tight on there. I'm not gonna mess with that one. This one right here may come out like that. There ain't nothing like getting some green beans and you got a big bone in there or something. So we're just gonna maneuver that one out of there. Yep, just like so. And wash my green beans off. We'll rinse them again. Those right there. What I do want to take juice up out of there. Not all of it, but most of it. That's what we're looking like right there. So we want to take spoon around here. Take the spoon of this chicken base right here. Just want to put that down there. Just like so. I'm going to come in with some of this black pepper. Like a teaspoon. Onion powder. Then I'm coming in with my green beans. Just like that, guys. Just like so. garlic salt, Lorry's. Red pepper flakes, a few of them. Just like that. Put a little bit more onions on top. Let me turn this water off. Like I pay a lot of money on this deal, huh? And the only reason I'm using this onion powder because I don't want to use the whole onion. So we're gonna just put all of this in here. You really don't have to, but I need that water in there because I got some potatoes in there as well. Let's see how much we got in there. Yeah, I'm gonna put it all in there. Whole box, guys. Okay, just like so. Then you're just gonna go ahead and mix this around up in here a little bit. Just like that. So I get some of that stuff off of there. We're gonna put this bad boy back on there and let it cook for about 25 minutes. Then we'll put our potatoes in there and let it cook for 15 minutes. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am done. Finally. OMG, because I'm hungry. This is an inspired dish from Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. He has put out some green beans and potatoes with some bacon in it, and it was off the chain. As soon as I seen it, I said I knew I had to go get me some green beans and potatoes. So you know, and it's inspired by him. Okay, so guys, I will leave a link up here somewhere, up there, to his channel for you guys to go check that out. Ray Mac, bro, I'm done with this, bro. Hope you enjoy it too, bro. This is how it looks. That's it right there. Green beans, potatoes, green bean ham hocks and potatoes with smoked ham hocks, rather. Okay? From my home to yours. And please go check out Ray Mac's Kitchen and Grill. Cause that's my boy. I'm ride and die with him. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end it with this. Please like, share, and please subscribe to the channel. And please do not forget to, that's right, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time in VELDOGG'S Kitchen. And I'm out.